If you become a member of my new watercolor community, you have access to monthly full-length tutorials. I walk you through how to paint a scene step by step. So a new video every single month, and you have access to the entire collection of all the videos that I've made previously. In addition to that, you have access to the Watercolor Community. So let's take a look at how the community works. So these are the different topics that we have. We have Welcome, where people can introduce themselves. We have Show Your Work, all about paper, all about brushes, all about paint. And then we come to our reference photo collection, general watercolor discussion, announcements, and then this is about the video critique down here. So every other month, I'm going to be posting a video critique of members' paintings. If you come up here and click on monthly video tutorials, this is where you come and watch the step-by-step videos that I will be adding to every month. So here's the collection of all the videos I've posted so far. So you can go through and watch those anytime you want. It's a growing community of artists from around the world that learn together and keep working to become better watercolor artists. So click on the link down below or follow the link in my bio if you're on Instagram to learn more about Watercolor Community. I'm so excited to see this community growing, to see members signing up from around the world to continue to push each other and learn more about watercolor and improve as artists. So reach out if you have any questions about this. I would love to see you join my new watercolor community.